Welcome back, Excel chicks. If you followed along in our last VLOOKUP video, you are well on your way to becoming a VLOOKUP rock star. Now, on your way to Excel superstardom, you will come across errors when using VLOOKUP. It is not a matter of if you will come across errors, it's a matter of when. As much as we try to make our data perfect, it's not going to be perfect and you will come across errors. In this video, we'll talk about common errors and how to solve for those errors when using VLOOKUP. We've already used VLOOKUP successfully to pull back product and category. I'm going to quickly just add a filter to this, and the way you get to filter is select the columns that you want to filter and then click on data and then filter. And the reason I want to do this is so I can demonstrate that we have all of our values here in this column. We can do the same thing for category. We have all of our values. All right, so let's use VLOOKUP to pull back color. Equal VLOOKUP. Use our parens. Our lookup value is going to be color ID. Our table array is over here in the colors tab. And the column we want to return is column 2, color description. And 0, we want an exact match. So 0 is false, if we recall from the last video. Our end parens. The dreaded NA error. So I'm thinking maybe this is a data type mismatch. So you can see here that we have our color ID. We have 1, 2, 7, 3, 9, 8, etc. So I'm wanting to know, are these numbers? Are these, text? So I select the whole column and I see here, this is my first clue at the bottom, that these are stored as numbers because we see we can sum these values. And then also up here, it says it's general number format. So let's go to our colors tab and see how these are populated. So I'm going to select the whole column and I only have a count of 24. There's no sum. So this is telling me that's my first clue that maybe these are formatted as text. And so I look up here and I see, oh yes, they're text. Another clue that this is formatted as text is that they're all left aligned. And then our inventory, these are right aligned, which if you recall, I mentioned this prior, most of the time numbers, unless you changed their alignment, they will be formatted, they'll be right aligned. And text will be left aligned. So how can we get this to match? So we have to change something. So I'm going to change this to text format. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to go to data. I'm going to go text to columns. I'm just going to click next. Next, we're not changing anything, so we don't have to worry about delimiters. We're going to change our column data format to text and click finish. And voila, no more NA. And now we can use our autofill handler to copy that color all the way down. As always, Excel chicks, if you enjoy these tutorials, please like and subscribe. And until next time.